Good morning, children. Today we will discuss detail about multiple fission. It is called multiple fission. So, in which here many individuals are formed. Many new individuals are formed. Okay, in this multiple fission from a from a single parent. From a single parent, that is called multiple fission. Okay, children. So this method of reproduction occurs in unfavorable conditions. Which one? Unfavorable conditions. Unfavorable conditions, this method of reproduction will be takes place. The unicellular organisms develop, okay, the unicellular organisms develop a protective, okay, protective covering called, what is called, cyst. Protecting covering called cyst over the cell. Over the cell. Next, the nucleus. Next, the nucleus of the nucleus of the cell divides. The nucleus of the cell divides repeatedly. Okay, repeatedly, producing many nuclei. Okay, later on, each nucleus is surrounded by small amount of which one? Cytoplasm. Small amount of cytoplasm and many okay, very important, many daughter cells okay, are produced within the cyst, are produced within the cyst, okay, children. Next, when the conditions are favorable, when the conditions are favorable, then what will happen? When the conditions are favorable, the cyst breaks. The cyst break and small offsprings liberated. Small offsprings are called liberated. Okay, children, this is the most important. Okay, this is the most important. This type of reproduction, okay, is seen in many algae, such as okay, many algae and protozoans. Many algae and protozoans. Protozoans. What are those? Such as malarial malarial parasite. Okay, example where we can see in the plasmodium, okay children. Next, another important case is there, that will be called fragmentation. What is called? Fragmentation. This is another type of reproduction, fragmentation. So some multicellular organisms, okay, having having simple having simple body organization. Simple body organization. Simple body organization reproduce okay, by breaking of their breaking of their bodies into small pieces. Okay, each of these okay, pieces is called what is called fragments. Fragments. These fragments grow into these fragments grow into new individuals. Okay. new individuals. Okay, and the mode of reproduction is called and the mode of reproduction is called what do you call the mode of reproduction is called fragmentation. Next one, for example, the green filamentous algae. Filamentous algae. The green filamentous algae, what is called Spirogyra. Spirogyra. Okay, very very important. May break into small pieces. What is called? Small pieces. And may break into small pieces. This is the most important. That small pieces are called, what is called? Fragments. And each fragment what is called? Each fragment may grow into new plant. Okay, each fragment grow and forms the new plant. Fragmentation is a method of reproduction in many filamentous Many filamentous algae. Okay, children. Mycelial fungi. Mycelial fungi. Next, and thalloid bryophytes. Thalloid bryophytes. Thalloid bryophytes. Okay, children. Observe very carefully what we are going to discuss. Yesterday we discussed binary fission in asexual reproduction. Today we are going to discuss about multiple fission. Many individuals are formed. So 1 to, okay, 1 to how many it seems? Many individuals will be formed from a single parent. When this will be called, this kind of many individuals are formed from a single parent are called from one parent, many. Okay, that is called multiple fission. Unfavorable conditions. This kind of multiple fission will takes place in which one? Unfavorable conditions. Especially unicellular organisms develops a protecting covering called cyst. See now, this is a unicellular organism. Protecting covering like this. What will be formed? It is called, what is called? A cyst when unfavorable conditions are there. The nucleus of the cell divides repeatedly. Then this nucleus is there or not? That nucleus will be divides into what is called repeatedly like this. It will be divided, producing many nuclei. Later on, each nucleus is surrounded by. Later, what will happen? Each nucleus surrounded by what is called surrounded by small amount of cytoplasm, and many daughter cells are produced. Many daughter cells are produced. This one is called what I said, cyst. Here many daughter cells are formed within the cyst. When the conditions are good or when the conditions are favorable, so favorable conditions are there, the cyst will be break. The cyst will be break. The small offsprings are there or not? The small offsprings will be liberated. This type of will be come out. This type of reproduction is seen in many algae. This kind of reproduction will seen where? In the many algae and protozoans, such as malarial parasite. Example what? Plasmodium. We call Plasmodium. So in the Plasmodium, you know very well what is called sporozoites convert into cryptozygon. That is different, but I am telling the names you remember. Chlorozoite to cryptozygon, cryptomerozoites, zygon, merozoites. The kind of new species will become by the help of multiple fissions. So what is the causative agent of malaria? Plasmodium. There will be Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae. Okay, like that, 4 types of Plasmodium species are there which causes malaria. Next, fragmentation. This is about what? Multiple fission. Now we are discussing about fragmentation. Fragmentation means multicellular organisms having simple body. Just see here, I am drawing simple body like this. That's it. Simple body. Okay. So reproduce by breaking of their body. So it will break. It will become new one. It will become new one. Then it will break. It will become new one. It will become like that. Breaking of their bodies into small pieces. And each of these pieces is called fragments. Each of these pieces is called fragments. These fragments grow into new individuals. These fragments grow into new individuals, and the mode of reproduction is called what is called fragmentation. And the mode of reproduction is called fragmentation. Examples: green filamentous algae. What you call example? The green filamentous algae, Spirogyra. What you call Spirogyra. may break into small pieces, fragment. Okay, small fragments. Each fragments grow and develop a new plant. Many filamentous algae, mycelium fungi. Mycelium means the thread-like structures like this. Mycelia is their fungus. So mycelial fungi and thalloid bryophytes, thallus, the body part will be there. These are all. So what are the examples which performs the fragmentation? Many filamentous fungi, many filamentous algae, mycelial fungi, thalloid bryophytes. These are performs the which one? Fragmentation. These are performs the fragmentation. Okay, children. Once listen carefully. Multiple fission. Many individuals are formed from a single parent. In unfavorable condition only multiple fission will be takes place. Unicellular organisms develops a protective covering called cyst over the cell. The nucleus of the cell divides repeatedly, producing many nuclei. Later on, each nucleus is surrounded by small amount of cytoplasm and many daughter cells are produced within the cyst. When the conditions are favorable, the cyst break and small offsprings are liberated. This type of reproduction, so small offsprings are coming or not? This type of reproduction is called multiple fission seen in algae and protozoans, such as malarial parasite Plasmodium. Plasmodium divided into how many types species have? Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium falciparum, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malariae. Fragmentation. Multicellular organisms having simple body organization. Simple body means no special organs, nothing. Just simple body organization will be there. Okay, by breaking off their bodies into small pieces. Each pieces are called fragments. These fragments grow into new individuals and the mode of reproduction is called fragmentation. Example, green filamentous algae Spirogyra may break into small pieces, fragments. Each fragment later grow into new plant. And examples more for more fragmentation. Many filamentous algae performs the fragmentation. Mycelial fungi are involved in the fragmentation type asexual reproduction. Thalloid bryophytes also involved in the asexual what you call fragmentation reproduction. Okay, children. Next class we will be discuss one more content. What is it? One more content that is about the one more fission will be what you called one more what you called regeneration will be there. Okay, what is regeneration? What is budding? So next class what we are going to discuss is our next class topics. Just I am writing for your understanding point of view. We will discuss the two important what we called regeneration. What we called regeneration. How the new parts will be formed. If anything wrong, any disturbance is there, the old parts will be go off, new parts will be formed and they will become new one. So regeneration, and next we will discuss about budding. Okay, and also we will discuss about spore formation. Like that, the different contents. What do you call next class? Regeneration, budding, spore formation. Like this, the types are there in the asexual mode of reproduction. Those one, that one, we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Then also later, what you called vegetative propagation. What you called vegetative propagation also we will be discuss in the plants. That one, how this will be involved in the production of new plants. Okay, will be there. This all we will discuss in the next class. Thank you, children. Thank you very much.